All right, I'm really pumped about these next few 1-minute Easter tips. Why? Because we're going to be focusing on the answers to the questions that you've submitted. We've already got 5,000 churches inside the Ultimate Easter Kit, and over 2,500 questions and feedback and ideas have come in from you. And this is my tip today is this. Never stop asking questions. I love getting feedback from churches. One of the questions we ask is, how can we better serve your church as we're developing resources for Easter? And man, we've gotten some fantastic answers. In fact, one church was like, you know what? No one's ever asked us that before. But I love asking that question. Why? Because it makes sure that we're developing resources that you actually need. And here's my tip for you. Never stop asking your audience questions. Never stop being curious and learning from your audience. So what are some questions you can ask this Easter? Maybe of your church people or of your student ministry or of people in your community. Questions like, are you excited to invite your friends and families and neighbors to Easter? Or are you, as a teenager, excited about what we do on Easter? Or do you truly get the meaning of Easter? Or as a community member, why do you choose to go to a church or not choose to go to a church on Easter? Or maybe to people who only come during the holidays, why don't you ever come back? Okay, never stop asking questions, and you might be surprised about the feedback you get. All right, that's the tip of the day. We'll see you tomorrow.